As children head back to school, parents can take proactive steps to ensure their health and well-being. This guide offers 4 key tips to support a successful academic year by focusing on nutrition, understanding risks, prioritizing sleep, and partnering with educators. You can help your child thrive both inside and outside the classroom environment. Tip 1 focuses on your child's nutrition, which plays a crucial role in their health. Statistics show that 17% of youth aged 2 to 19 in the United States are obese. Furthermore, a significant 40% of the total daily calories consumed by 2 to 18-year-olds are considered empty calories from added sugars and solid fats. For parents dealing with picky eaters, it is recommended to continue introducing new foods patiently. Act as a positive role model for healthy eating habits by consuming nutritious meals yourself. Crucially, avoid using food as a reward, as this can create unhealthy associations and hinder the development of a balanced relationship with food over time. Tip 2 involves knowing the risks your school-aged child may face. Head lice are a common concern, often spread through head-to-head contact during playtime, sports activities, and sleepovers. While they do not spread disease, they can cause significant discomfort. Regular checks and teaching children to avoid sharing hats or hair accessories can help minimize the spread. Scoliosis, a curvature of the spine, requires vigilance from parents. Watch for signs like uneven shoulders or hips when your child is standing. Ensure your child receives regular scoliosis checkups during their annual physicals, as early diagnosis is vital for effective management and preventing the curvature from worsening as they grow during their school years. Bullying is a serious issue, yet only 17% of children seek help after experiencing it. Parents should be alert to early signs such as sudden changes in behavior, academic problems, anxiety, depression, or self-harm. Maintaining open lines of communication is essential so that children feel safe and supported enough to report these difficult social challenges. Poor vision can significantly impact learning and academic performance. Watch for signs including squinting, tilting the head to one side, or holding handheld devices and books too closely to the face. Regular eye exams are necessary to ensure that any vision problems are corrected early, allowing your child to fully engage with their schoolwork and activities. Tip 3 is to make sleep a priority, as adequate rest is fundamental for physical and mental health. The overuse of digital devices is a significant factor contributing to sleep loss in children and adults. Sleep is considered equally important as diet and exercise for overall well-being. Most healthy children require 8 to 10 hours of sleep each night. To promote better sleep, establishing a consistent sleep ritual is highly beneficial. This includes putting away electronic devices like tablets and phones at least 1 hour before bedtime to reduce blue light exposure. Instead, encourage children to read a physical book, which helps the mind relax and prepares the body for a deeper, more restorative night of rest. Furthermore, avoid strenuous exercise or caffeine close to bedtime, as these can be too stimulating. If your child is hungry, consider a light, beneficial snack that won't disrupt their sleep cycle. A consistent routine helps regulate the body's internal clock, making it easier for children to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed for school the next morning. Tip 4 encourages you to be a partner in your child's education, health, and wellness. Active parental involvement and consistent communication with school staff are key components of success. By building a strong relationship with teachers, you create a network of support that ensures your child's needs are met throughout the entire academic year and beyond. Parents are encouraged to initiate conversations with teachers specifically about their child's unique likes and dislikes, as well as their strengths and struggles. Sharing this information helps teachers tailor their approach and understand what motivates your child. This transparency allows for a more personalized educational experience that leverages your child's natural talents while supporting their growth. Discussing preferred learning styles and any other issues that may affect them at school is also vital. Whether it is a social concern or a specific health need, keeping the teacher informed ensures a collaborative approach. This partnership helps create a supportive environment for the child's holistic development, ensuring they feel understood and valued in their learning space. In conclusion, taking proactive steps in nutrition, health awareness, sleep hygiene, and school partnership builds a strong foundation for your child. By staying involved and observant, you ensure they have the tools and support necessary for a healthy and successful academic journey. Your active role as a parent is the most important factor in their overall well-being.